The famous 60s painter enters a restaurant though he has no money in his pocket, but he doesn't mind. He tells the restaurant manager that he wants to eat in return for his portrait. It saturates itself beautifully. Then he draws the portrait of the restaurant in a snap and leaves it on the table. When getting up, the manager comes, looks at the picture, likes it. Fine, says the manager. You did it in a minute, whereas you have been eating for an hour. Painter replied, It is not a minute, it is 50 years and a minute. Moral: experience comes with years of practice of action.